if I told you that you can find the total resistance of any parallel circuit without using any formula, will you agree with me? Okay, let's consider this problem. We are asked to find the total resistance between terminal A and B. And for this circuit, these 3 resistors are in parallel. And these two 15 ohm resistors are also in parallel. So let us partition this circuit into blocks. So we can call this block, we can call this part, these 3 resistors that are in parallel, we can call it what? Block. We can call it block C. While we can call these other 2 resistors that are in parallel also, we can call this block D. So now, let us solve the parallel group first, which is these 2 blocks. Let us find the total resistance in these 2 blocks first. So let us find for block C. So for block C, which is ROC, the total resistance which is ROC will equals to 15. Whenever you have the same value of resistors in parallel, don't use formula. Here is the shortcut. Pick one of the resistance value, which is 15. One of the resistance value is 15, and divide it by the number of resistors, which is 1, 2, 3, which is divided by what? 3. The answer will give us 4. The answer will give us 5. We give us 5 ohms. We are done with block C. So for block D, which will be arrow D, will give us what? Whenever you see the same value of resistors in parallel as well, don't use formula. Just pick one of the resistance value, which is 15, and divide it by the number of resistors, which is 2. Divided by 2, which will give us 15 divided by 2 with my calculator. 15 divided by 2 will give us what? 7.5. That is 7.5. 7.5 ohms. That is the answer. So now we can draw the circuit. So we have the circuit in this form. This block now we have reduced it, so it will be in what? Series with what? With this other resistor. Sorry, this resistor is 15 ohms. It will be in series with this 15 ohm resistor. So at this point, we have another resistor, and at this point also, we will have this block C resistors, which will be like this. It will be in parallel, it will be in series, and this other large resistor, which is this. So we can call your block what? Terminal B and terminal A. So this is the 15 ohm resistor, and this, because we name this block D, we will have arrow what? D, which is the value of the resistor, arrow D. Arrow D from here is what? 7.5 ohms, which is 7.5 ohms. And for this one, it will be what? Is this very particular block, which is block C, it will be ROC. And ROC was what? 5 ohms. And we have was 15 ohms. So at this point, we have reduced the circuit towards series circuit. So we can now find the total resistance between terminal A and B. So the total resistance now, which is ROT, which is the same thing as ROAB, the terminal AB will now equals to, whenever you have resistors in series, forget about formula, just add the resistance values, just add the resistance value like you are adding money. So it will be 15 plus 7.5 plus 5 plus what? 15. So our answer will be 15 plus 7.5 plus 5 plus 15. It will give us 42.5. So the total resistance, so therefore the total resistance, which is ROT or ROAB, between terminal ROAB will now equal to what? 42.5 ohms. So that is the answer. If you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and subscribe so that whenever I upload a simplified video like this, you will be notified. And also, if my explanation was helpful, let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video.